Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are not receiving a verification code from the Westpac first, make sure that your phone has signal. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if that's possible. If not, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, check that the phone number that you are putting in is correct. Make sure all the digits are correct, read it twice, then only send the verification code. Next, wait a few minutes and request the code again, but avoid requesting it too many times. After that, disable any message blocking apps or spam filters. Make sure that the low power mode is turned on off as well. Disable VPNs, proxy, and stuff like that. If the code still does not arrive, contact the Westpac support to confirm your contact details, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.